AGS grinder's operation procedure. 1. Turn on main power. 2. Release emergency push button. Turn on power. 3. Without wheel on spindle. Turn on chuck control. Turn on spindle. Turn off spindle. Make sure spindle is turning clockwise. 4. Turn on hydraulic system. Turn off hydraulic system. 5. Turn on coolant system. Turn off coolant system. 6. Put function switch to rapid up and down mode. Push spindle up. Push spindle down. 7. Cross-feed function operation. 1. Manual rapid function. First put function switch to surface grinding mode. Then put cross-feed function switch to rapid function mode. Push rapid in, rapid out. 2. Automatic crossfeed function. Adjust the auto crossfeed travel. Turn on hydraulic system. Set table travel. Turn on hydraulic valve to move table to desired speed. Put the function switch to surface grinding mode. Put crossfeed function switch to auto mode. Push direction push button to start. Control the VR potentiometer to control crossfeed speed. 8. Auto downfeed function. Set up auto crossfeed function as in step 7 number 2. Set dial 0 to 0. Turn dial clockwise to set total desired downfeed increment from 1/10 to 1/1000. Push downfeed auto button. The light will turn on. When finished grinding, the light will turn off automatically. 9. Plunging grinding function. Turn the function switch to plunging grinding mode. There is no cross-feed movement for safety interlock. Set up auto downfeed function as in step 8. Total downfeed and increment. Push down feed button.